We are Dave and Heidi Lanford, and we are residents of Kissing Tree.
After we retired from the corporate world, we bought a B&B in the Virginia mountains, and we stayed there for 12 years hosting people, then moved to Kissing Tree. We find ourselves hosting people here in KT, our friends and neighbors, just like we hosted people in our B&B in Virginia. Making friends in Kissing Tree was just so easy. Every activity we took part in, we would meet someone new. We love Kissing Tree, but we also like to get out.
Whatever you're looking for, you can find.
There's something fulfilling for us about having the laughter of others in our home that centers us, and that's why the bed and breakfast was such a good fit for us. And why we like being in Kissing Tree, because it's such a community.
We pinch ourselves daily, I think. It's just...
Well, you never know in life what the future's going to bring. And we're fortunate enough to live long, happy, productive lives. And we are looking forward to long, happy, productive retirements.
My turn.